Hi guys, this is going to be non-Western philosophy critical summary over the lesson. So for our lesson we start with Taoism, and Taoism is Chinese philosophy, and it refers to either a school of philosophical thought or to a religion. However, both share ideas and concepts of Chinese origin and emphasize living in harmony with like the Tao and the Chinese Empire. So the Tao Te Ching is a book containing teachings, and together they are widely considered the keystone to Taoism. So Taoism and Daoism are basically the same thing. They're kind of replaceable words for one another, but the roots of this go back to the 4th century BCE. Early Daoism drew its cosmological notions from the school of Yin Yang, and these were naturalist. And they were deeply influenced by one of the oldest Chinese culture, which is the Qing. And this kind of expounds a philosophical system about how to keep human behavior in ordinance with the alternating cycles of nature. So here we kind of see like almost like a ritual toward nature. I think that's neat though. So the use of the word. So the English Daoism translates closely to two Chinese systems. One is the School of Dao, and one is the Religion of Dao. So, the School of Dao is a philosophical school based on the Dao and the Jing. And then the Religion of Dao is a family of Chinese religious movements that trace back to the Celestial Masters School. So, with Daoism, we have Laozi Tu. He was in 6th century BCE and was a naturalist, philosopher, sage, attributed with funding Daoism. So perhaps a legendary figure, he influenced China, and it has nevertheless been seen as substantial. So the historian, Sima Qian, provides earliest stories about Laozi in his records of the Grand Historian. So Laozi is an activist in the kingdom of Zhao's Grand Library, and he's visited by a young Confucius king seeking advice. So the Dao Jing is the classics on the way and its virtue. This means it's a small text written as a set of concise cryptic aphorisms. It is the second most widely translated text in the world after the Holy Bible. So this is where we see basically the beginning of Daoism.